How to get Majis TV on Roku? Majis TV isn't available on the Roku channel store, so it won't appear in Roku's standard channel lineup. Roku supports screen mirroring from compatible devices. If you have Majis TV on your Android phone or Windows PC, you can mirror it to your Roku. On Roku, go to Settings, then click Systems, then choose screen mirroring and set it to always allow or prompt. On Android, use the cast or screen mirroring feature to connect to your Roku. On Windows, press Windows plus K and select your Roku device. Then launch Magis TV on your device and it should mirror onto your Roku. These options can give you access to the Magis TV app's content on Roku even though there isn't a native Roku app for it yet.